Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression Success 5.3 some questions. So, here the first question is, find the sum of following APs. So, this total exercise is based on the single formula, that is S base n, means the sum of the n terms. So, first in this exercise, the first one is find the sum of our following APs. So he asked you to find the sum of following APs. So first one is 2, 7, 12 and so on to 10 terms. So he said 2, 7, 12 and so on up, he had up to 10 terms. So let us solve it. Given AP is 2, 7, 12 and so on to 10 terms. He said 2, 7, 12 and so on to 10 terms. So by using this AP, I am writing the value of A is equals to, A means the first term, so A is equals to 2. After D is equals to A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A3 is 12 minus the value of A2 is 7. Want to be equals to the value of A2 is 7 minus the value of A1 is 2. So here we get 12 minus 7 means 5 and the 7 minus 2 means 5. Both are equal, so therefore we got the value of D is equals to 5. He said he already gave the value of n. So n is equals to 10, means up to 10 terms. So n is equals to 10 and he asked you to find out the value of S base n, means S base 10. So we know the formula of S base n is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of sum of n terms. So S base n means S base 10 equals to the value of n is 10 by 2 into the value of a is 2 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is 5. So S base 10 equals to, here 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, so 5 into 2 twos are 4 plus 10 minus 1 means 9 into 5. So S base 10 equals to 5 into 4 plus 9 fives are 45. So S base 10 is equals to 5 into 45 plus 4, 49. So S base 10 is equals to 49 5s are 49 into 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. So 245. Sum of 10 terms of the given AP is 245. So we had completed the first question in this Roman. Now let's go to the second question. So here the given second question is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on to 12 terms. So he gave the minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and said we add up to 12 terms. So let us solve it. Given AP, given AP is minus 37, minus 33 minus 29 and so on to 12 terms. So by using this given API, I am taking the value of A is equals to minus 37, means the first term. After value of D is equals to A3 minus A2, means A3 is minus 29, minus of A2 is minus 33. Want to be equals to minus 33 minus of minus 37. So minus 29 plus 33 equals to minus 33 plus 37. 33 minus 29 means 4 is equals to 37 minus 33 means also 4. Therefore, we got the value of D is equals to 4. And we know the value of N is equals to, he said up to, add up to, sorry, 12 terms. So, N is equals to 12. And he asked it to find out the value of S base N. So, let us find the value of S base N. S base N is equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So, S base 12 equals to, the value of N is 12 by 2 into, the value of A is minus 37, 2 into minus 37 plus the value of N is 12 minus 1 into D is 4. So S base 12 is equals to 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 into 2 into minus 37 minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 11 into 4. So S base 12 is equals to 6 into minus 74 plus 11 4 is 44. So S12 is equals to 6 into minus 74 plus 44 minus 30. So we got therefore the value of S12 is equals to minus 30 into 6 minus 180. So therefore the sum of 12 terms of the given AP is minus 180. So we had completed the second question. Now let's go to the third question. So here the third question is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on up to 100 terms. Let us solve it. So here given AP is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on 200 terms. By using the given AP, I am taking the value of A is equals to 0.6, means the first term. After D is equals to A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A3 is 2.8 minus the value of A2 is 1.7 equals to, the value of A2 is 1.7 minus the value of A1 is 0.6. So 2.8 minus 1.7, 1.1 is equals to 1.7 minus 0.6 also equals to 1.1. So therefore both are equal. So therefore D is equals to 1.1. After N is equals to 100 because he said 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on up to 100 terms, means the N terms. So N is equals to 100 and he asked you to find out the value of S base N. Understand? Now we know the formula of S base N, that is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S base N means S base 100 equals to 100 by 2 into 2 into a is 0.6 plus n is 100 minus 1 into d is 1.1. So 2 ones are 250 is a 100. So s base 100 is equals to 50 into 2 into 0.6. 2 into 0.6, 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 means 99 into 1.1. So 99 into 1.1. 1 into 99, 99. 1 into 99, 99. So 9, 9 plus 9 means 18, 9 plus 1 means 10. Here 1 point. So 108.9. So S base 100 is equals to 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9. So here S base 100 is equals to 50 into 108.2 plus 1.2, 110.1. So 110.1 into 50, 0 into 110.1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 into 110.1. 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So 0, 5, 0, 5, 5. There is 1 point. So S base 100 is equals to 5505. So the sum of 100 terms of the given AP is 5505. So we had completed the third question. Now let's go to the fourth question. So here the given fourth question is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on to 11 terms. So he said in the question 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on to up to 11 terms. So let us solve it. 11 terms means n terms. So given AP is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on to 11 terms. So by using the given AP, I am taking the value of A is equals to 1 by 15. So the 1 by 15 means the value of the first term in the AP. After D is equals to A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. So the value of A3 is 1 by 10 minus the value of A2 is 1 by 12 equals to the value of A2 is 1 by 12 minus the value of A1 is 1 by 15. The LCM for 12 and 10 is 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 12 5 are 60, so 60, 10 in 60, 6 times, so 6 ones are 6 minus 12 in 60, 5 times, so 5 ones are 5 is equals to in 12 and 15. What is the LCM of 12 and 15? 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 fours are 12, 12 fives are 60, 12 fives 12 in 65 times, so 5 ones are 5 minus 15 in 64 times, so 4 ones are 4. Here we get 1 by 60, here also we get 1 by 60, both are equal, so therefore the value of D is equals to 1 by 60. After n will become 11 because up to n terms. So we have to find the value of S base n. Understand? Now S base n. We know the formula of S base n, that is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S base n is equals to n is 11 by 2 into 2 into A is 1 by 15 into plus the value of n is 11 minus 1 into the value of d is 1 by 60. So S base n is equals to 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 by 15, 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 means 10 into 1 by 60. In 10 into 1 by 60, 0 0 gets cancelled. Then it becomes S base n is equals to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Understand? Now here the LCM of 6 and 15 is 6 15. 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6, 6 fives are 30. So S base n is equals to 11 by 2 into 30. So 15 in 32 times, so 2 twos are 4 plus 6 in 35 times, so 5 ones are 5. After S base n is equals to 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5, 9 by 30. So here 3 threes are 9, 3 tens are 30. So S base n is equals to 11 threes are 33 by 2 tens are 20. So we got S base n means the S base 11. So therefore we got the value of S base 11 is equals to 33 by 20. The sum of 11 terms of the given AP is 33 by 20. So we had completed the fourth question, means we had completed the first Roman. Now let's go to the second Roman in this exercise. So here the second question is find the sums given below. So we have to find the sums that are given below. So here the first question is 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus and so on plus 84. Let us solve it. So given AP is 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus and so on plus 84. It is the given AP. By this one I am taking the value of A is equals to 7, means the first term, and D is equals to A3 minus A2 is want to be equals to the A2 minus A1. A3 is 14 minus A2 is 10 and a half, means 2 tens are 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 is equals to 21 by 2 minus A1 is 7. 2 14s are 28 minus 21, 7. So 7 by 2 is equals to 2 sevens are 14. 21 minus 14, 7 by 2. So both are equal. Therefore, D is equals to 7 by 2. We got the value of A and D, and we also know the value of A base N, or this called L, is equals to 84. So first, we have to know the value of n. To find the value of n, we have to find the um value of n. First, we have to formulate the formula. A base n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a base n is 84 is equals to a is 7 plus n is, we don't know, so n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 84, I am going to transpose the plus 7 to the left side, then it become minus 7 is equals to n minus 2 1 into 7 by 2. So here 84 minus 7 means we get 77 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. If we transpose 7 by 2 the left side, it becomes divide the 77. So n minus 1 equals to 77 by 7 by 2. If we turn the division into multiplication, it becomes 2 by 7. So 7 11s are 77. So 11 2s are 22. So n minus 1 is equals to 22. It becomes n is equals to 22 plus 1, 23. So therefore we got the value of n is equals to 23. Now we can find the value of S base n. S base n. We know the formula of S base n as a n by 2 into a plus a base n. Means we know the formula of a base n, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of a base n. Like that only they said a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Understand? Now in this formula, now I am going to use the formula n by 2 into a plus a base n. It is the simplest formula to use when the a base n is given directly. So s base 23 is equals to 23 by 2 into a is 7 plus a base n is 84. So s base 23 equals to 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 means 91. So now I am going to multiply the 23 by 91. So 91 into 23. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27 into 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 2 plus 8, 10. So we got S23 is equals to 2093 by 2. So S plus 23 is equals to, we can write this as 2 tens are 20, 2 fours are 8, it remains 1. 1 after 3 means 13, 2 6 are 12. So it remains 1. So I am writing 1 here. So therefore S base 23 is equals to 1046 and half. The sum of 23 terms is 1046 and half. So we had completed the first question in this Roman. Now let's go to the second question. So here the second question is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus and so on plus 10. Let us solve it. So here given AP, is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus and so on plus 10. By using this AP, I am taking the value of A, means the first term, small a, sorry, I want to write this small a. Small a is equals to 34. After D is equals to A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A3 is 30 minus the value of A2 is 32 is equals the value of A2 is 32 minus the value of A1 is 34. 30 minus 32 means it gives minus 2. 32 minus 34 means it gives minus 2. So both are same. So therefore the value of D is equals to minus 2. So we know the value of A and D, and we also know the value of A base n, that is 10. So we have to find the value of n. To find the value of n, we have to use the formula A base n. So A base n equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A base n is 10 plus 10 is equals to A is 34 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 2. So 10 is equals to 34 plus into minus 2 into n, 2n, minus into minus, plus 2. So 10 is equals to 34 plus 34 plus 2, 36, minus 2n. If we transpose the plus 10 to the right side, it becomes minus 10. At the same time, I am going to transpose the minus 2n to the left side. It becomes 2n is equals to 36 minus 10. Sorry. So 2n is equals to 36 minus 10 means 26. So n is equals to, it becomes divide the 26. 26 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 13s are. So therefore, the value of n is equals to 13. So the value of n is equals to 13. So now we got the value of n. Now let us find the value of s base n. The formula is n by 2 into, we know already the value of a and the a base n. So I am going to use the formula n by 2 into a plus a base n. So s base n means s base 13 is equals to 13 by 2 into a is 34 plus a base n is 10. So s base 13 is equals to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10, 44. 2 ones are 2, 22s are 44. So 22, 13s are, so 13 twos are 26. 13 twos are 26 plus 2, 28. So 286. 22 13s are 286. So therefore we got the value of s base 13 is equals to 286. The sum of the 13 terms of the given AP is 286. So we had completed the second question in this Roman. Now let's go to the third question. So here the given third question is minus 5 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 11 and plus and so on plus of minus 230. Let us solve it. So given AP is minus 5 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 11 plus and so on plus of minus 230. So it is the given AP. By using this AP, I am taking the value of A is equals to minus 5 means the first term. After D is equals to A3 minus A2 is 1 to be equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A3 is minus 11 and the value of A2 is minus 8. So I am writing minus of minus 8 is equals to, the value of A2 is minus 8. The value of A1 is minus of minus 5. So minus 11 minus into minus plus 8 is equals to minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. Minus 11 plus 8 minus 3 is equals to minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. So therefore we got the value of D is equals to minus 3 and we got the value of D is equals to minus 3. After also we know the value of A base n is equals to minus 230. So we have to know the formula, we have to know the value of n and the S base n. So let us find the value of n first. So to find the value of n, we have to use the formula A base n. A base n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A base n is minus 230 is equals to, the value of A is minus 5 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. So I am going to transpose the minus 5 to the left side. It become minus 230 plus 5 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. It become minus 225 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Here minus and minus gets cancelled because they are on the either side of the equal. So I'm going to transpose the, sorry, first I'm writing like this, 3 into n minus 1 equals to 225. Now, I'm going to transpose the value of 3 to the right side. It become, divide the 225. 225 by 3. 3 sevens are 21. It remains 1. 1 after 5, 15. 3 fives are 15. So, n minus 1 is equals to 75. N is equals to 75, it becomes plus 1 is equals to 76. So therefore we got the value of n is equals to 76. We got the value of n is equals to 76. Now we already know the value of a and the a base n. Now let us find the value of s base n. So s base n is equals to, the formula of s base n is n by 2 into a plus a base n. So s base 76 is equals to 76 by 2 into the value of a is minus 5 plus of the value of a base n is minus 230. So 238 are 76. So yes, 76 is equals to 38 into minus 5 plus of minus 230. So yes, 76 is equals to 38 into minus 235. So now I am going to multiply minus 235 with 38. 3 5s are 40. Sorry, 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18 into 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So 0, 8 plus 5 means 13, 9, 8. So we got therefore S base 76 is equals to minus 8,930. So the sum of the terms given in the problem is equals to the minus 8,930. So we had completed the third question, means we had completed this Roman. In next video I will explain some other problems. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.